In this tutorial, you'll learn how to create a stunning mirror reflection effect using Photoshop. First, make sure the layer is selected. Go to Select, then choose Subject. Photoshop will do the work for you. Hold Ctrl and press C then V to quickly duplicate the selected subject. Go to Edit, then Transform, and select Distort. Using Distort, the image will shift from one side, while the other side stays fixed. Now feel free to adjust the layer to match your scene perfectly. Now select the layer and add a layer mask. Now, select the gradient tool from the toolbar. Make sure the gradient is set to black and white. Just make sure you've selected the layer mask. Just click, hold, and drag the cursor to apply the gradient. Release it, and the reflection effect will appear on the layer. Right-click on the mask, and select Apply Layer Mask to make the effect permanent. Now reduce the opacity and fill as needed, so it matches the scene naturally. Go to Filter, then Distort, and select Wave. In this scene, you can adjust the top settings as needed, but make sure the vertical value stays at 1, since we don't want any vertical waves. Beautiful wave mirror effect is ready. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.